Hello, welcome to another unboxing. This time, it's a solar powered fountain pump with a battery. Now there's quite a lot of these on eBay and they do vary in price a hell of a lot. I picked this one up for $7.95. I mean, that was really cheap, and I've seen the same one, well the same picture anyway, and the same claims for about 18, something like that. So I mean, some like 30 quid if you've got a few LED lights in the middle, which probably won't last till the evening. Who knows? So are they actually any good? I thought it'd be a bit of fun. It's really hot in Bristol here at the moment. It's just gone the longest state, and it's about 30 centigrade. In fact, in here it's 29.8 centigrade indoors, so it's really nice and warm. And I thought this would be a nice thing to maybe put in a bucket. And oh, there are some things on the back here. It'd be a nice thing to put in a bucket, and the birds can play in there or something like that. Cheer it up. And at this price, 8 quid, you know, that's okay, isn't it? I seem to remember these being a lot more years back, but I think there's just technology or the mass production or the way they make tubes now really has changed. Tubes? Did I say tubes? I meant solar panels. Don't know how I get those two mixed up. Okay, so apparently Ankway, this company that makes this, they care about me. They care about me. And there's proof that they care about me. They go into how much they care. They want to hear from me as well. They want to be friends. Is that going to focus at all? Okay. Yeah, they want us to be friends. Instruct user manual. I do want to have... Oh, it look... I thought for a minute then it looked like it's got LEDs in there, but I think that's some sort of surface mount something. Remove film before use. And yet on the bottom there is a 2.5 watt pump, which takes 0.42 amps, 2 to 2.5, that's 6 volts. I guess the battery must be in this bit, and it's potted probably, and then the little motor is here separate, and it's obviously a motor for other things because it's got things to stick it onto a, I don't know, the base of a water feature or something, so it's not its only use. But what we really want to know is just on an ordinary sort of a day, does it make a nice jet or is it just bubble over? You know, how does it do? I think that's what we all want to know. So in a minute I will be going out in the garden. I'll leave that for a minute. I'll do that in a bit. Is there anything we need to know? Well, there's different specs by the look of things for different models. There we go. So we do get a few different heads. So we've got two different, I think that sort of makes a bell sort of shape. Sort of 360 sort of combing over sort of effect, I think that one does. And in fact, yeah, we can make an extension with that piece there. I think that's what it's for actually. Or we can cover them over with different heads. And obviously the one with the smallest or least amount of holes will probably go the highest. So, hang on, that looks more like a middle jet. There we go. We'll try them all. See how we get on. So let's go in the garden and see how it goes. Okay, so it's nice and sunny. You can feel the heat of the sun. It's the middle of summer here in the UK, so it's getting plenty of light. And I must say that's not too bad, is it, for such a tiny little motor? It's actually quite a nice high little jets of water. But if you're doing it like I'm doing it here in a bucket, it won't last long because of spillage. So if you're thinking about putting it permanently, it needs something with a bit bigger lip than a bucket. And of course it might always find the edge, so you might have to anchor it in the middle somehow to make sure it doesn't drain out whatever you're putting it in, because I've only had it going on for a minute or so and it's already a quarter of a bucket down. So let's change the heads and show you what they look like when they're fitted on. Get a bit of trouble to get that one to go on flat anyway, get the idea. It's the same sort of thing, but it's a bit tighter formation, this one. Let's do the next one. And tighter and higher. Not that much variation between them really, is there? I've got this smaller one. So there's not a great deal of difference between any of the jets. That one might be a little bit higher. Not bad, eh, for a tiny little pump. So for the way it is now, I've just turned that last fitting upside down. So to conserve the water that's in the bucket, I've got it like that. So there were the different heads. And then there's the little one. That's the highest one. And there's not that much between them really. But on the whole, £8, a bit of fun in the garden in the summer. Yes, ticks all the boxes. So thanks for watching and see you again next time.